Hello guys, Alex the Grandpa here. I hope you're well. Today quick video on the VW Scirocco 2.0 TDI, showing you how to replace the battery. Now this is going to depend on if your car has got auto start stop functions or not. This one hasn't, so this is the model that you're going to need, obviously depending on the brand that you got. So the battery is located here under this cover. You might not have a cover, and obviously you got negative terminal there and positive, which is the red one, and it's also marked on the battery. Positive was plus, negative was minus. So what you need to do first, usually what I do, I usually leave either the door open or the window at least open when I'm replacing it, and also have a key in my pocket to make sure that when you connect the new battery it doesn't lock itself automatically. So what you're going to need to do is undo the 10mm here to remove the negative, and another 10mm here to remove the positive lead. Make sure you isolate them so they're not touching the battery again. Once you've done that, you look down there, there's a 30mm bolt down there that holds the bracket that secures the battery in place. So you just need to get an extension with 30mm socket and undo it, and then you're going to be able to grab the battery out of there. Right, so 10mm undone, lift it up, so the battery now is disconnected, and the same on this side. Lift it up, wiggle it a little bit because it needs to open up. So it's disconnected completely. You can take the cover off now, and now we're gonna move this out of the way, and now you can see that 30mm that I was talking to you about. So just a quick extension that I got here, get that down there, get it undone. When the bracket just comes up, make sure you don't drop it down there. That's not going to be good. You have to take the belly pan off afterwards. So get that undone. Bracket is off. This is how it goes on there. And now you should be able to lift the battery. There we are. Compare it with a new one. Make sure it's the same size. The positive is on the right side. Like I said, there's plus there, there's plus there. Leave the covers on because they're just for the safety there. While we're installing it back in there, that's it. Just locate battery correctly, back where it was before. Now obviously bracket goes back in there. Secure, make sure it's obviously securing the battery, that it's fitting in a cut they usually got on the battery. You might have to readjust it a little bit, because you can see there's a cutout that fits in the battery. Lovely, that's all good. Sit in there spot on. So obviously you have to do it up now, and then once you've done it up, try and move the battery, make sure it's not moving anywhere. There we are, that's done up. Just the pipe popped out, put that back in there. So the battery is secure now, it's not going anywhere. And now we can put the terminals back on, push them all the way on so they flash, and then obviously get your 10mm back on there, do them up, that's that on, or the last one. You might have a little spark sometimes when you connect the last terminal. It's not a problem. And that's it. Obviously it's up to you if you want to put the cover back on. as you can see, I forgot to put the cover on, so I'm going to be taking it all off again. Got carried away there, so I'm going to take them off, put the cover on, and then do it again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. After this, what you'll have to do is obviously once you started the car, see if it's running properly. What you have to do is reset your windows. So basically what you need to do is go all the way up with them on first position, and then hold it up when the window is completely shut for 5 seconds, and then do the same with the window down. Go all the way down and then hold it down for 5 seconds, and that resets the window. You have to do one at a time, do the same on the passenger afterwards. And what's going to happen when you start the car up, you will have the power steering or the steering wheel warning lights on. For that, all you have to do is just drive the car for about 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and that will disappear. It's just the sensors, they're resetting itself, the steering angle and etc. So you'll be fine after that. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found that helpful. Please make sure you connect the battery the right way around. Do not put negative on the positive to avoid any electrical issues. And this is pretty much it. Have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.